up, Really Game Family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy TB. Welcome back to my Sunday reset vlog. It's the first day and the last day of the month of April. First day of this week, and I just wanted to do just a little Sunday vlog. As y'all can see, I just got back in town. Off the road, so I'm trying to recharge, reset, have a little family day, because I still do gotta go back to work tonight, later on or whatever. But before I start this vlog off, I just want to read y'all one of my favorite scriptures right now. It's Psalms 118:24. It says, "This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it." I'm grateful for another chance to grow, to reset, and to get my spirit right before the week starts. So we about to head off and go to church. Lele, the kids getting ready. Her dad's coming with us. Today, I'm not sure what today gonna bring or what we doing today, but happy Sunday to you and to your family. Hope you have an amazing week. Let's get it. Let's get better together. Tap in with me. So just like, share, subscribe, and enjoy y'all Sunday. Enjoy this Sunday vlog with the family. Roll it.
Into this word from Joshua, starting at chapter 4, verses 4 through 7. But if I can for a second, I come to simply remind you is that even though you are dealing with some stuff in life, even though you got all kinds of stuff going on, don't miss the daily miracle of the fact that you woke up this morning, that you in your right mind. Yeah, that you went out to your car and it wasn't vandalized, that you had some food in your refrigerator. Don't miss the miracle in the middle of the flood season. That's the context of the text before we get into the text. You got to understand what the Israelites were dealing with. They had just experienced this miracle in the middle of flood season. So this week, I need you to be reminded of that when your supervisors start to get on your nerves, when your kids start to act crazy, even though you're dealing with flood season, be reminded of the little things.
All right, Really Game Family, so church is literally over. It was an amazing service, and shout out to Mike. Mike preaching, that's the pastor's son. He's a young guy, and he did a great job. I literally grew up with him, so to see him out there speaking and following his dad's footsteps and his whole entire family was amazing.
What's up, y'all? They came to see me at church. No, actually, they go here now. Delete that. Let me start over. Does that sound all right? Hi. Good morning. We just left church. Praise and worship. It was wonderful. Hope to see you guys there next week.
You stay saying I can't dance, but I hate folks like this and you hate the folks like that, and I dab like this and you dab like what is that, and I footwork like this and you footwork like this, and your point is exactly.
Alright, y'all, so I just finished washing the whites. We should be good for the rest of the week. All the clothes and stuff washed. I'm about to get my work clothes and stuff together because I actually got to go to work tonight. So I think what I'm gonna do is it's Sunday. I'll be back probably like Tuesday morning at like midnight, going into Tuesday morning or something like that. So I'm about to take Lele on a little date night to this little restaurant she sent me a while back. It's a new restaurant called, I think, Lucy, something like that. And then Funny Marco's in town, so I'm gonna take her to go see him, and then I'm going straight to work. So it's literally my Sunday. It's been a little family stuff, a little church, seeing my mom, shout out to my mom, seeing my niece Rara, you seen her dancing, and me and Lele going on a little date night, and this is what my Sunday looks like right now. And I gotta go right back to work. Y'all see, I literally got her this morning, took my 10-hour break, now I'm going right back to work. So Life of a hustler, baby.
Later that same evening.
Lele's been working all week. The girl's been at school. So tonight, I want to take Lele on a little date night. So we going to this restaurant in the Grove in St. Louis called Lucy Quinn. Never heard of it before, but I seen it on this group called Date Night and Things to Do in St. Louis or something like that. So after that, we going to a comedy show, and Lele gonna end up dropping me off at my truck after little date night tonight. So it's like just like the little perfect send off before I get back on the road and start chasing that bag. So rolling.
It's tequila based, has pineapple and passion fruit in it, and it's just fun and refreshing.
Where is it?
Right there.
Okay, let's try that one.
Got it? I'll be right back.
What's that?
It's like a mango drink, but it's good though. It ain't, it tastes like, it's like tequila, but it ain't strong enough. Like a pineapple mango.
I knew it wasn't. I gotta say they got some sugar. Hold on. Unless she was saying this right here was supposed to go in.
It's sweet.
It's good. So how was your week?
It was great.
Mentally, emotionally, not just busy wise.
Mentally, it was okay. I control what I go through this week.
So that's what you're most proud of this week?
Yeah.
Is there anything you needed more of from me this week?
Anything I
Need it? Because May coming up next week, so it's a whole new month.
say May coming up.
I say next week it's a whole new month.
Nah, you been straight.
Huh?
I said, nah, it's been cool. It's been good. You've been supportive. It ain't been nothing crazy. Just good, yeah.
Whatever that was, it made it good.
Should ask her what she put in there.
I don't know.
Get something at home.
What's something that we can do as a team that we in May that we didn't do in April? Huh?
What is it? You said it's something we need to do?
No, I asked you. I'm saying what you feel like we can do more as a team in May that we ain't doing April. Since May is literally next week.
I mean, we pretty much been tackling everything as a team. I think do you know something we need to do? I think we pretty much been tackling it all. I can't really think of nothing. Like, I can't really think of nothing. I mean, I come to you about everything. To either give me advice on how to solve it.
How can I make you feel more loved in May?
More loved in May. Keep doing what you're doing. The love grows. We really like that.
It was good. I don't know what they put in there. Whatever they put in this tea.
I'm supposed to make you feel more love for me. May is a big month for you.
May is a huge month. Huge month.
What can I do to make you feel more love for me?
Keep doing whatever you've been doing now. Times 10, because it's May, so I don't know. I can't really think about myself. I don't know.
Why you can't think about yourself?
I've just never been that person. I've never been all about myself, so it's hard to only think about what I could do. I mean, what I could get.
Was it like a sugar type form or like
a syrup type
syrup?
thing? This is a whole lot of food. I don't even know where to start at. So first, I guess we're gonna start with this. This is candy bacon. It look a little burnt, but yeah, it's extra juicy. Seasoning on point.
It is perfect.
Candy bacon for the win. Next up, we have a fried bologna sandwich with red hot Ripley chips. It's a St. Louis staple. So if you're ever in St. Louis, go to the grocery store, convenience store. Red hot Ripley's is like, they some hot chips, but with the perfect amount of seasoning. And this is a fried bologna sandwich. Like, this is like some real southern cuisine right here. You know how long it's been since I had a bologna sandwich? Like bologna and look how thick the bologna is. Look, it's humongous. Oh, this is really good.
You single doing all that?
We got in the car, like, my pops, he got in the car, gave me a talk, he said, beat his ass, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Alright, y'all, so date night is officially over. I'm on my way to my truck so I can get my roll on. Got a nice little 11-hour drive ahead of me.